My friend just fired another social media manager last week. Not because he couldn't use Canva, not because he didn't know Instagram, but because he made the same mistake 90% of beginner social media managers make, and it cost him $4,000 in lost revenue. If you're watching this from Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, or anywhere in Africa, wanting to become a social media manager, this video will save you from getting fired even before you get started. Here is what most people don't tell you about social media management. It's not about posting pretty pictures. No. Over the last 3 years, I've hired social media managers across Africa for companies worth billions. And I've noticed something. The ones that last, they understand one thing that others don't. Before I tell you what that is, let me show you what a social media manager actually does. Because if you think it's just posting on Instagram, you are already setting yourself up to fail. You are creating content calendars, writing captions that convert, designing graphics, engaging with followers, analyzing performance data, and then running paid ads, managing LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You are the voice of the brand online. But here's the secret most beginners miss. You don't need a marketing degree. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need to avoid 3 critical mistakes that get social media managers fired within 30 days. Mistake number 1, inconsistent posting schedules. You promise 5 posts a week, but you deliver 2. Trust is gone, and the client gone with it. Not understanding the client's audience. You post content you like, but social media management is not about your creativity. It's about conversions. What do their customers engage with? Poor communication. You go silent for days. You don't ask questions. You assume things instead of clarifying. This is the truth. I can train someone on Instagram analytics. I can train someone on Canva, but I cannot train someone on how to communicate. You have to learn how to communicate clearly. Now, here is the exact 5-step process to start earning. Step 1, pick your niche. Don't manage social media for everyone. No. Pick an industry: real estate, fitness, beauty, tech, startups, e-commerce. Specialization makes you valuable. Learn the essential tools. 4 tools you need to learn: Canva for graphics, Meta Business Suite for Facebook and Instagram scheduling, Hootsuite or Buffer for multi-platform management. Then learn Google Analytics to track performance. All of these have free version, so no excuse. Build proof with 0 experience. Offer to manage social media for one local business for free for 30 days. Document your results: follower growth, engagement rate, website clicks. That's your portfolio. That's your proof. Set your rates. Start at $300 to $500 per month for basic management. Once you have 2 to 3 clients and proven results, increase to $800 to $1,500 a month. Top tier social media managers in Africa charge $2,000 to $3,500. Find clients. 3 platforms I'll love you to check for jobs first. LinkedIn. Reach out to startup founders there and build a relationship first before pitching your services. Upwork and Fiverr. Go there and create gigs, social media gigs. Then on X, engage with startup communities. Offer value first. That's it. But I need to tell you this before you even start. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Your first client might pay you $300. Your second might even ghost you. You work evenings and weekends building your portfolio. But if you stay consistent for 6 months, learning, improving, and delivering results, you can absolutely build a $1,500 to $3,000 a month income working remotely. I've seen it happen. I have people who have done it exactly this way. The question is, are you willing to start? If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button right now. It tells YouTube to show this to more Africans who need it. So, you've got the 5-step process, right? But in step 5, find clients, I only scratched the surface. You need to know the exact websites, how to create profiles that get noticed, and what messages actually get responses. That's why this next video, 7 free websites to find remote jobs in 2026, is a must watch for you. I'll see you on the other side.